EC65 filter should be dismantled and professionally cleaned every year, preferably during the winter time before the spring of each year. However, if you find yourself having short cycle times, in other words, when the filter pressure increases very quickly after bumping and you've put in fresh diatomaceous earth, and shortly after that you still have the same pressure increase and decreased flow, my suggestion would be to do a filter wand cleaning, which is a very simple process. In order to do that, you simply shut the filter off, go back to what I taught you guys regarding bumping the filter, down slowly, up swiftly, and break the cake that's inside the filter. After that's done, open up your gate valve, and what we're going to do is we're going to drain the gunk and the diatomaceous earth out of the filter. Open up your air valve, makes the process go a little quicker. And what we're doing is we're actually getting the diatomaceous earth that's in the filter drained out like we talked about before. Now, what you'll end up having to do, many people think that you have to take off and undo all the bolts around the perimeter of the filter. That's not necessary. That's left alone. You're going to need a pair of channel locks and very easily turn this off where the pressure gauge is and unscrew that. And what that does is that gives you a really good porthole so that you can actually look in the filter and see the fingers. And in this case, we've got a bit of diatomaceous earth that's caked up on the top part of the filter. So what we're recommending is to simply use this wand. You can purchase them at our store. You put it on a regular garden hose. And then, obviously turn it on. Okay. While you're actually running the wand in and out, the jet is squirting upward, and you can run it in between the fingers, and that jet will actually shoot water up against the tube sheets and break that cake, get that dirt and old caked up DE out of the filter, and after you see clear water coming out of the drain pipe, you're all set to go. After the filter's been completely drained, the next thing we do is start up the pump again by turning the pump on. Again, we do the quick flush. 20 to 30 seconds is fine. Closing down the gate valve. Again, remember to close the air valve. And what we're doing now is we're recirculating the water back into the pump and getting all the air out of the system. The next thing that we do is immediately put in the proper amount of diatomaceous earth. On an EC65 it's 6 pounds, on an EC75 it's 7 pounds. EC40, which is more of an above ground pool system, you're looking at 4 pounds. So again, immediately go to the pool skimmer and actually add the proper amount of diatomaceous earth. Immediately following the draining of the filter and the discharge of the diatomaceous earth, we actually started the filter again. We have it actually recirculating in the pool. The next step is immediately putting in this case, 7 pounds of diatomaceous earth. This is a container provided by Hayward, 1 pound. Now, many people think coffee cans are 1 pound. This is 1 pound of DE. A 1 pound coffee can is not the equal. So I suggest using the Hayward DE cup. Diatomaceous earth, again, is better known as DE. Now you see, maintaining a Nejame & Sons pool is very simple. Follow these instructions. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Area code 203-743-4663.